I think our program is awesome because the first thing that we do is we connect with the kids, and that makes them buy into everything that we do, and we have a lot of fun together. If they're not having fun, they're not learning.
It's all just about the food and the different opportunities that comes with food, like the competitions, about the catering, meeting new people, creating new dishes, and learning all about the industry. The industry is very important.
This class is really special. Again, we spend a lot of time together and you make a lot of really strong connections. You learn a lot about professionalism, etiquette, and manners, which helps you move on further into life.
So many leadership opportunities you can get from culinary. We really focus on teamwork, communication, because it's not just cooking. We have these other events that we do where we're reaching out to other student programs, businesses, or industry partners to really build connections and not just gain hands-on job-specific skills, but to gain teamwork and leadership.
Culinary is definitely like a really good experience to have, to just make friends, learn new things, manners, professionalism, things that not even just in high school that you'll use in the future.
So there's actually a saying, and it's called mise en place. It's where you set out all your ingredients so you know nothing's missing. And I actually relate that a lot to the different events that we did. Like, for example, Stuff of Us, we had to make sure that we had all of our people in place, made sure we have volunteers, making sure everyone is prepared to succeed.
I think it's a great class, you know, like even if you aren't that day on cooking, it's still a great thing. Like, teachers are great, they're really good at teaching, you learn tons. And I think it's just great, like, just going forward in life and having experience with this class.
I've learned so much in culinary. I've learned so many new skills to practice in the kitchen. I've learned stuff to know on the business side, like manners and, you know, how to look good and first impressions in an interview. My teachers are so awesome. They're great. I'm so blessed to have them in my life.
My favorite thing about teaching culinary arts is for those light bulb moments for the kids. But that very moment when the light bulb goes off in their head and they actually did the foaming method correctly and they're just seeing it all go off without a hitch, and they finally understand what we've been talking about for the past 3 years, and it's just like, oh, I get it now.